Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the game Jacks. To begin, you will need a set of 10 jacks and a small rubber ball. Find a smooth, flat surface, such as a table or the floor, to play on. The objective is to pick up a specific number of jacks with one hand while the ball bounces exactly one time. It's a classic game of coordination and quick reflexes, perfect for all ages. Let's start with the first 2 rounds, often called onesies and twosies. First, scatter all 10 jacks onto your playing surface. Toss the ball into the air, let it bounce once, and quickly pick up 1 jack. Catch the ball before it bounces a second time. For the next round, you'll do the same, but this time pick up 2 jacks in one swift motion. Practice makes perfect. Moving on to rounds 3 and 4, we'll tackle threesies and foursies. The process remains consistent. Toss the ball, let it bounce once, and this time pick up 3 jacks. Remember to catch the ball before its second bounce. Then, for the next round, you'll pick up 4 jacks in the same manner. Maintain a steady rhythm and focus on your hand-eye coordination to succeed. As you become more skilled, you'll advance to 5sies, 6sies, and all the way up to 10sies. If you fail to pick up the correct number of jacks, or if the ball bounces more than once, your turn ends. The game then passes to the next player. The ultimate goal is to be the first player to successfully complete all 10 rounds, from picking up 1 jack to all 10. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.